What's up, guys? It's been a little over a year since I got those max brakes on the fit, so I figured I'd give you guys a little update on what's up. So if we look at the pad itself, here's the wheel, and I don't know if y'all can see, but still a lot of the material left, like right there. Still really thick brake pads. Check the other side. Not even close to the caliper there, so lots of material left. As for how it feels, pedal doesn't go to the ground at all. It holds upon pressing it with your foot. No vibrations can be felt in the front or the back. No screeching, and just overall been good. I've had sudden stop situations out in traffic, highway speeds even, and it's held up fine. I liked it so much that I ended up buying both a front and rear set of max brakes for my Mark IV TDI, and that's held up really well as also. So probably gonna stick with it. That's just my short review. I don't have any experience with their performance sets, but I've heard some mixed reviews from everyone. But if you have something to comment regarding those, chime in down in the comment section so we can help people out. But as far as the entry daily driver economy brake sets are concerned, they've served both my daily driver cars really well. So probably gonna keep on buying those sets for both my daily driver cars. And yeah, that's it. Hope this helps you make a buying decision. Again, I can't speak for their premium or performance brake sets, but for their just basic entry-level daily driver sets, I want to say for the bang for the buck, I'm a fan. So do your research, but I hope this helps. Cheers.